Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to log in to FedEx Business Account. Logging into FedEx Business Account is a straightforward process, so let's jump into the video right away. First of all, you'll need to visit the FedEx login page. Open up a preferred web browser and go to the URL box and type in fedex.com and search. Once you get to the official site, click on the sign up or login button at the top right hand corner. Now in the expanded menu, click on sign up/login. You will now need to fill in your user ID and password associated with your FedEx account. If you're having trouble remembering your credentials, click on forgot your user ID or password link and follow through the instructions till the end. After filling in both of your credentials, click on login and you will then be able to log into your FedEx business account. After logging in, you can manage your account details, view your profile, update your address book, or handle billing and reporting. So that is how you should be able to log into your FedEx business in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.